Hey everyone, I got this portable monitor that I'm so excited for. I really can't wait to open it and show you all about it. It comes with many different options. It's really great to have and just moves around with you everywhere. It's really updated and great for the home or the office or wherever you need it. I am so excited. So it's 16.1 inches. 1080p. It's a portable monitor. It has a smart cover. It has a USB-A to USB-C cable. It has an HDMI to HDMI cable. So basically you can connect it to your laptop or you connect it to the TV. So it comes with really just so many options. You can game on it. You can watch TV on it, Netflix. You can attach your keyboard and mouse to it. So there's endless opportunities, and it comes with you wherever you go. You can bring it everywhere. It has like this cover that's like a stand. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so here it is, and it's a really great size. Look at that. So this case is also a holder and a support for the screen. So let me show you how to do it. Make sure it's the bumpy way, because that's where the magnet is. And as you see, it has two indents over here, so you can position the screen to be closer or a little further, whatever's more comfortable if you have a keyboard. Then you pick up the other top, and it's a magnet, so it stabilizes the screen like this, and then it uses as a case to protect the screen when you put it away. So you have the two options. You can move it front and back. So that's that. Let's get started with turning it on. So let me show you the sides over here. You have the HD port, and then you have these two, which are this Type-C ports. So you have two of them. You look closely. And then on the other side, you have the power button. You have an area where you can put headphones in. You have the menu, the dial. So it goes back and forth, plus, minus, volume. And then you have the micro USB port, which is over here, right there. So that supports other compatible USBs, and these on this side, the Type-C port, power supplies, and audio video signal transmission. Now we have all of the wires that come with it. Here is the top for it. Here you put it in like that. And then you can put it in either port like this, and then you charge it. Okay, so it comes with two types of wiring to connect to the computer or TV or tablet or whatever it is. There we go. Okay, so now it's connected to my laptop, and so this is like an additional screen. So this is how a lot of people work now, where they have multiple screens and you can see them on both. So here you see two screens. Basically, this digital screen is connected to my laptop with the wire, one of the wires, and then so you have the other one that is both like these, so you can connect it to a tablet. You could literally connect it to almost anything, to a TV, to a PlayStation, and you can just have better viewing, better clarity. It can be closer to you. You can open different things on different screens. I also love that It comes with the covers for the chargers because it doesn't get ruined like that, and you have more protection. So that's really good. And it comes with the entire pamphlet on how to use it and tells you all the details of device connections. If you want to put it into an iPhone, you want to connect your phone to it, we can do that as well. So there's so many options, and I really cannot recommend it enough. I've seen people like in the cafeteria, like with 2 screens just like this. Everyone's getting it now. It's just definitely the product to get. I love it. I definitely recommend that you get it. It has so many features. It's really such a great product. Great for office, great for home, great for any type of situation, on vacation or whatever, whenever you need it. Definitely go get this amazing portable monitor that is 16.1 inches and is such a great product.